Hi, great day. This is Madhu Kodidala, Passive Wealth Expert. Today I came here with one good note and major topic why the most individuals need to other and how the individuals need to manage everything in the terms of wealth. What is the power of wealth? Why the wealth is most important in life? Why the every individual is running behind wealth? What is the major importance of the power of wealth? So today I'm going to give the all the answers to you, so that you need to know the exact meaning about a wealth and why the wealth is important to your life, and how this wealth will be more interpersonal parameters has been involved in every individual life. So whether you are a salaried person or a business person, or you are doing any work, why the wealth is major category has been evolved. So that please, by this end of this video, you will see the real transformation about the exact meaning about a wealth, and you know the why the wealth is called most important in life, why wealth is important, why this to be evolved in such a way where every individual need to be gathered every aspects of life in terms of wealth. So please see this video till the end, so that you know the exact information about the wealth. I'm Madhu Kodidala, Passive Wealth Expert and Lifestyle Coach. I'm in a mission to empower 1 million working professionals and entrepreneurs to build a wealth in a phased manner. That's why I create a root analysis wealth model. Just go and dive into my website www.madhukodidala, so that you know the exact profile, and you know the why I'm doing all these things, whether it is useful to you or not. If it is useful, definitely go and subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your well-wishers and friends, so that they will get benefited. So please do the things what I shared today. Please subscribe and share this video, and see this video till the end, so that you will see the real transformation about the exact meaning of the wealth and what is the power of the wealth. For your better understanding, I am sharing my screen to you, so that you will know the exact meaning about a wealth and what is the power of a wealth. So what is the major importance of wealth and what is the power of wealth? So first we need to understand what is the exact meaning of a wealth, why the wealth is called so important in our life. So first foremost thing is the money equal to wealth, and the happiness, and in the life peace in life is equal to wealth, and the time what you are spending in your life, whether in a daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis or your whole life, how much time you are using for your personal development, for your enrichment in terms of happiness, in terms of creation of wealth, in terms of multiple streams of income, or in terms of by seeing your entire family members happy. How much time you are spending, for your own for your own sake, for your own individual personal development. So think about these things. And what is the exact status of your health? What is the health status as of now, whether you are fit or not? You see, the most intellectual and wealthiest persons in the world are healthiest persons. Why it is called? So they know health is the major aspect in the life. They know the categories of wealth, they know how to maintain the diet, and they will know the how to manage everything in a life. So health is also the major part in life. And the attitude towards gathering the information, attitude towards mingling with others, attitude towards your family, attitude towards your, if you are working professional, attitude towards your employees, attitude towards your boss, attitude towards your company. And the major aspect is how much behavior you are inculcating for attaining all these things is a matters. That is also called as a wealth. And the relationship, how much relationship you are anchored or you are maintained with your friends, with your family members, and how much you are gathering every aspect of your life, so that you know what is the exact meaning about the categories of life and what is the exact relationship to be maintained. So that is the exact equality of relationship equal to the wealth. So what is the next major golden nugget is a lifestyle. How much lifestyle you are maintaining and what type of lifestyle you want to be. So that think about that particular aspiration of your lifestyle so that you know how to manage my present financial position and how to attain that my desired lifestyle, so that you as an individual person know the things all above parameters what I'm just now shared to you: money, happiness, time, health, attitude, relationship and the lifestyle. If you know the deeper insights about these knowledge, you will be called as the wealthiest person in the world. This is the major meaning. So please write down these things and involve yourself to gather this information, to mingle this information, to act and take action about the things, how you need to manage and why you need to manage and when you need to manage for attaining all these things, so that you as an individual person to evolve, to gain the information about the aspects of a wealth. This is the most foremost important in a life, that is called as a power of wealth. And the next thing is accumulation of assets. What is a major thing? Accumulation of assets. What is the how you need to call as wealth is a most important factor in life. How it will impact our livelihood. Major thing is how you are accumulating your assets, whether it is a passive income or it is an active income. If it is a passive income, what are all the categories of passive incomes? Whether you are the regularly, if you have own house, whether you are a landlord, regularly the income is coming as a rent, that is called as a passive income. Or if you are invested any mutual funds or any shares and all, how much dividend you are coming, that is also a passive income. And the business portion, if you are having any businesses, some portion of the amount is coming on regular basis to your wallet, that is also called as a business passive income. And any other allied expenses like it is vary from one individual to other individual. So please understand what are all those the major passive incomes and the multiple streams of income what you are getting on a monthly basis is equal to a passive income. So please write down all these things and analyze all those things so that you know how much assets you are accumulating, what is the net worth of yours, everything will be given. So if you want to go in deep about these parameters, please visit my YouTube channel Madhu Kodidala. There I have given clear information about all these things. Please go and dive at that particular video for deeper insights. And the active income is simply whether you are a salaried person, your salary is coming from your company to the regularly to your salary account, and you are spending that much of amount, how much you are spending and how much you are getting the particular salary, what are all expenses. This is called as an active income. So expenses, income, this matters and all. So please understand the major aspects of accumulation of assets in terms of passively. So how much passive you are managing, how much the passive management amount is coming into your pocket, that is a matters. So please understand these things so that you have the power of wealth. And what do you mean by success? What do you mean by success? Success is the result of making money, or making money is the result of a success? As far as my concern, my perspective is making money is the result of a success. If you are making money compared to about all the points what I shared you by accumulating the assets, whether it is a passive income or an active income, or how much relationships and management or managing the money you are maintaining, that is called as a successful person in richness. So if you want to involve yourself to attain all those things, first you have to be in a position to see the scenarios, see the parameters, where is the money is coming, what are all the sources are there to generating of an income. You need to identify. You want to know the different sources of income, please visit my website www.madhukodidala or visit my YouTube channel Madhu Kodidala. There you have a clear visibility about the parameters so that you know the major important factors about everything. So please understand all those things, so that these are the major power. I called it as a power because if you have a wealthy information, if you want to be wealthy, if you want to be manage everything in a life, if you want to be involve everything as per the knowledge what is available in the society, you gather all those information and involve yourself and work on that information and evolve as a person to enrichness in the terms of wealth. So please try to manage everything in a life as per your wish, as per your desired levels, and have a clear set of task goal, so that you as an individual person need to be maintain everything in terms of in terms of money, in terms of relationship, in terms of making money of gradually increasing of information about managing money. So please have a clear visibility about these things, so that you as a person will evolve in terms of wealth. Thank you very much. This is Madhu Kodidala, passive wealth expert. I hope this video is given the deeper insights about the power of a wealth, so that you know what is the major importance of the life. If this video is useful to you, please share this video to your friends and well-wishers, so that they will get benefited, and subscribe my YouTube channel, so that you will have a clear visibility about the wealth and finances. Thank you very much. Signing off.